Introducing Sharp BTJ series air conditioner. Available in 12,000 BTU, 18,000 BTU and 24,000 BTU capacities. Experience the perfect blend of comfort, style and modern elegance. Smart cooling automatically adjusts to save energy and maintain comfort. Achieve high efficiency with cost savings and lower environmental impact. It measures an air conditioner's energy use over a cooling season for efficiency. This smart solution reduces global warming, paving the way for a sustainable future. Ensures four-way automatic cooling for uniform room coverage. Quickly cools the room within minutes for instant comfort. Automatically cleans the split air conditioner for hassle-free maintenance. Compresses refrigerant gas to high pressure for efficient cooling. It is easy to install and requires low maintenance.
Sharp, be original.